Did you know that regular tune-ups aren't just a maintenance task, but a crucial investment in your heating and cooling equipment's efficiency and longevity? Hi, I'm Hunter from Western Heating, Air and Plumbing. We offer one of the most in-depth tune-ups on the market, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Our comprehensive 30-point AC tune-up is a testament to our commitment to your comfort. We ensure every part of your system is running smoothly, leaving no stone unturned. We don't just skim the surface, we dive deep. We start with the thermostat, the brains of your HVAC system, to ensure everything is communicating correctly. Next, we thoroughly inspect your furnace, leaving no stone unturned to ensure it's in top condition for seamless performance. We also inspect your evaporator coil, a key component that absorbs heat and moisture from the air inside your home. The coil is usually in the air handler or attached to the furnace. We make sure it's in top condition so your AC can work as efficiently as possible. Then, we move to your outdoor AC unit to ensure all components function properly and take precise readings of your system. We make sure everything is balanced, protected, and free of leaks or issues. We finish by thoroughly rinsing your unit to ensure it operates at peak performance. Additionally, we inspect the condenser coils, check the refrigerant levels, and lubricate any moving parts to extend the life of your system and enhance its efficiency. Finally, we inspect your ductwork to ensure maximum airflow, identifying and addressing any blockages or leaks to improve your system's efficiency. This check ensures you get the most out of your cooling system, keeping your home comfortable. Annual spring AC tune-ups are not just about maintenance, they're about saving you money. They're crucial to ensure your system runs efficiently and reliably throughout the hot months. Regular maintenance helps prevent unexpected breakdowns, extends the life of your unit, and you can save money on energy bills. Don't wait until it's too late. Schedule your AC tune-up today to keep your home comfortable all summer long.